Hi everyone, my name is Lucy. Welcome to my channel. For today's video, I'm making a carrot cake with a cream cheese frosting, and I hope you like this recipe. And I'm going to be using some light brown sugar, 3 eggs, vanilla extract, ground cloves, nutmeg, baking soda and baking powder, ground cinnamon, vegetable oil, salt, all-purpose flour, and shredded carrots. Grease and flour a baking pan, and I'm going to use a handheld electric mixer. I'm beating the eggs before I mix them with the sugar. And to this mixture I also add the vegetable oil and the vanilla extract. I place it in a bigger bowl because the previous one was too small, so I can whisk it with my handheld electric mixer until it's nice and smooth. Make sure that by now you are preheating the oven at 325 degrees Fahrenheit or 162 Celsius. I'm going to be mixing or folding together the carrots with the all-purpose flour. And to this mixture, I'm going to be adding the cinnamon, the ground cloves, the nutmeg, the salt, and this is just a pinch of salt, the baking powder and baking soda. Fold it together, and then I'm going to add the wet ingredients to the dry ingredients. And start mixing it with the electric mixer. The mixing process will take you from 2 to 3 minutes. And I'm using medium to high speed in my electric mixer. Once everything is mixed together, then we can transfer the mixture to the baking pan. I grease the pan with butter, and then I sprinkle a little bit of all-purpose flour all over the entire inside of the pan, and then I place a parchment paper which I also greased and floured. My cake took about 45 minutes to bake completely, and I prefer to bake it at 325 degrees. And remember, every oven is different. And while the cake is cooling, I'm going to be mixing the frosting with cream cheese at room temperature, butter at room temperature, salt, vanilla extract. Mix these ingredients before we add the sugar. And I'm mixing it until it is creamy before I start adding the powdered sugar. Start adding the powdered sugar in small portions until it's completely combined. Once you finish mixing it, place it in the refrigerator until it's time to cover your cake. Remember, all of the ingredients and the steps to take for these recipes are in the description below this video. This frosting is ready to cover the cake. Very smooth and delicious. This is an awesome recipe, and I'm happy to have shared it with you. I hope to see you again in my next video. Buen provecho, come back to see me again. Don't forget to click like and subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.